Subscribe HDTech channel and then click the bell icon to receive notification from the channel. Hi friends, here we see about the LED traffic control using Arduino Uno board. The required components are Arduino Uno board and the one breadboard and 3 LEDs and the jumper wires. Let's start. Connect the LEDs in the breadboard here like this. Connect all LEDs in parallel ways like this, and then connect the jumper wires for each one. Yes, and then connect the first jumper wire to the pin number 2 of the Arduino board, and then connect the second wire to the pin number 3 and third wire to pin number 4. Let's connect. After connecting these 3 wires, and then let's connect. After connecting the 3 wires, we need to connect the another one wire, the parallel negative connection wire to the ground terminal of the Arduino. After finished connecting, connect the Arduino USB cable to the Arduino board. The LED will on like this. After connecting the USB cable of the Arduino, let's implement the code of the LED traffic control. Copy the code in the description given below. I already copied in my computer, so I copying in my console. I copying this. Open the Arduino software in your desktop. Select File, New, enlarge this window and paste the copied code here. This is the code I am using for the LED traffic control. Here I am using LED 1 as blue, LED 2 as green, LED 3 as yellow. These are the outputs. LED, first LED, second LED, third LED, and then here the delay for the first LED is 5 seconds, that is 5000 milliseconds, and the delay for the second LED is 4 seconds. The delay for the third LED is 10 seconds, that is 10,000 milliseconds. Here the white loop programs here. Read carefully. This code is given in the description given below. And select, before verifying, you want to save this file. Save wherever you want to save. After saving, click on verify. It comes like this. And the done compiling displays here. Before done compiling, after verifying, take your breadboard with your Arduino board Okay, take the breadboard. Before uploading the code, remove the ground pin here. Okay, and click on the upload button. It comes like this, and after displaying done uploading, connect your ground pin to your LEDs. It started glowing. It's the first LED for 5 seconds, second LED for 4 seconds, third LED for 10 seconds. And again, first LED for 5 seconds, second LED for 4 seconds, third LED for 10 seconds. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah.